Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are doing great today. For today's tutorial, it's all about the BH Cosmetics Supernova eyeshadow palettes that I use to create a very simple, easy glitter eyeliner makeup. Before we jump right into it, I would like to say thank you all for your likes, for your comments, for your subscription as well. Thank you all. God bless you all. Please let me know what you think at the end of this video. Leave me a comment, leave me likes, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you once again, and I will see you all in my next video. Let's jump right into it. For my transition color, I used a black opal Body&Soul eyeshadow as my transition color. I guess this product is discontinued. I've had it for a period of time now, so I'm not just going to toss it away. So I just started to use that as my transition color, and I came in with a Clinique line smoothing concealer. I'll be putting the shade and the list of the product I use in my description box. Please do take your time to read my description box. Like I said, the concealer is by Clinique and is 10 Deep Honey. That's the shade. I will still put the name down below for you to see. For this eye makeup tutorial, I use about 4 shades of eyeshadow from that palette, and it's not too much, not too loud. The first one I pick is called Lauder from the palette. I use that at the inner corner of my eyes. The next one that follow is called the Celestia. Don't forget to check my description box. I will be putting the list of the products that I used in my description box, just in case if you're not getting the pronunciation right. I'll be putting the list in the description box. Then I came in with the next one that is called Aries. For the outer corner of my eyes, I came in with the one that is called Lauder in order to give my eyes a little bit of smoky look. So I pick up a plain clean brush and I started blending it out to avoid thick ash line. Then, in order for me to shape the outer corner of my eyes, sometimes we can use a tape in order to be able to have that perfect angle. But today I decided to pick up my foundation, and I used a little bit of it at the outer corner of my eye to shape it out. This is the fun part for me. Like, seriously, I love this glitter by BH Cosmetics. It is a glitter eyeliner, and this is the main purpose for this makeup. So I use that to line that part of my eyes that I cut. I mean the cut crease. The Blink false lashes that I used is by BH Cosmetics as well. And for today foundation, I'll be using the Super Stay makeup by Maybelline. It's called the 24 hours non-transferable Super Stay makeup, and I came in with the same Clinique concealer to use as my highlighter today. Of course, to contour, I'm always going for this simple and very easy contour palette by BH Cosmetics. The powder one, I use that to contour. To line my inner eye rim, I pick up the eye pencil in number 01 Onyx. It's by Estee Lauder. I use that to line my inner eye rim. Then I pick up the beauty blender to blend out my contouring and my highlighting. Then came in with the NYX cream lipstick in Cherry Skies. My entire face, I use the loose powder by Black Opal in shade 600 dark. And then I pick up the blush by Estee Lauder in number 18 Intriguing Plum. To highlight my cheekbone, I raved about this highlighter by NYC in my last video. I so much love it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment like I said, and I will see you all in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. God bless.